for Cybertruck FSD, some viewers expressed their concern that the truck wouldn't stop for animal crossing the road, because the animal won't be visible in the screen visualizations. We can confirm that FSD will indeed stop for even the smallest of creatures, such as a squirrel, even if it's not shown on the screen. A Cybertruck FSD was seen stopping for a baby deer and its mom trying to cross the road. It's reassuring to see technology like Tesla's self-driving system make such thoughtful decisions and prioritize safety, even for wildlife. It's a nice reminder of how innovation can have positive, unexpected impacts. The FSD has already received a lot of criticism lately for taking wrong lanes, hitting the curb, overspeeding, etc. We think the FSD has a long way to go, and it is one of the most advanced technology ever gifted to mankind.